Good afternoon, my name is Brad Langdon with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on a Harris 270 Crowne tri-tune boat. Looking forward, you see you have two couch seats up front. You have a teak table that raises and lowers. You have in-floor storage. Armrest built in with cup holders. Of course, cup holders everywhere you look. On the dash, you have in-dash storage. You have a digital dash here. GPS depth finder built into this. Your Bluetooth stereo also built into everything. You have a tilt steering wheel, electronic binnacle controls. You also have the RGB lighting, which changes colors. You have an entertainment center here with built-in drawers and a washdown. You also have your two bar stools for this entertainment center. And you have a SL layout in the back that has an infinitely adjustable backrest. Okay. So out back you have a sun pad and a small bench seat. You have a swim step, and you have the stainless steel safety fence back here that allows you to ride the boat while underway. Up top on this boat we have a large Bimini electric top. It is also infinitely adjustable with a switch. You have under top lighting as well, and you also have stereo speakers, mids and tweeters built into the tower. That is your 270 Harris Crowne here at Lake Norman. Come see us or give me a call, 704-215-3599. Again, this is Brad Langdon.